Hello, dear students. How are you? Welcome to the Genius tutorial for science and problems. Here, the topic is today Giardia, which was already studied. Here, a person when ingest food or drink any liquid that are infected. Here you can see a person drinks or takes some foods which was contaminated, then the person that is caused by giardiasis, the cyst form is present in the food or liquid that infects the human, and it removes the cyst, that is excision, and this form of the giardia is called as trophozoite, and trophozoite undergo asexual reproduction or asexual replication. Here you can see it grows its number and it present inside the human intestine and transmit into the colon, where it removes where it forms a cyst and moves toward the colon and remove by the excretion outside of the body. Both cyst form and trophozoite form are repelled out, where trophozoite form are ruptured outside the body and cyst form survive by the presence of cyst outside overall trophozoite, that is cyst form. When a person again ingest infected or contaminated food that caused by giardiasis, here is symptoms of giardia. Some people can carry giardia parasites without experiencing any symptoms of giardiasis, generally show up 1 or 2 weeks after exposure. Some common symptoms include fatigue, nausea, diarrhea or greasy stool, loss of appetite, vomiting, bloating and abdominal cramps, weight loss, excessive gas, headaches, abdominal pain. These are the symptoms which is present in the infected person of giardia, and in the last, what are the treatments for giardiasis? In most cases, giardiasis eventually clear up on its own. Your doctor might prescribe medicine if your infection is severe or prolonged. Most doctors will recommend treatment with antiparasitic drug rather than leaving it to clear up on its own. Certain antibiotics are commonly used to treat giardiasis. Here is medicine. Metronidazole is antibiotic that needs to be taken for 5 to 7 days. It can cause nausea and leave a metallic taste in your mouth. Tinidazole is as effective as metronidazole and often treats giardiasis in a single dose. Nitazoxanide is a popular option for children because it is available in liquid form and only needs to be taken for 3 days. Again, the another pyromycin has a lower chance of causing birth defects than other antibiotics, although pregnant women should wait until after delivery before taking any medication for giardiasis. This medicine or medication is given in 3 doses over the course of 5 to 10 days. Here these are medicine metronidazole, tinidazole, nitazoxanide for the treatment of giardiasis.